But we've got a lot more to a bathroom than just toilets. We're going to show you the latest in shower heads, but first, let's see what Tack Renata from FHIA has for us today.
A lot of times ideas for segments come from a lot of different sources. Many times it's from speaking with homeowners or experiences we've had with homeowners. Other times it's questions that friends or people have asked me about their home improvement project. Well, today it's actually something that happened to me and my family that I thought was relevant, especially for how many times we've discussed how important the in-home consultation is in choosing the right contractor before deciding on doing the project. We were looking to do a new fence for our home to keep the dog in. We recognized that it was going to take a little bit of time because of manufacturing. Certainly I know is better than anybody how long some of these manufacturing delays can be, but we went with what we thought to be a reliable fencing contractor, and we got all the permitting done, all the HOA approvals done, everything's ready to go. They called to schedule the installation. We're really excited about getting it done, and they said before we come out to do the installation, we have to send you an additional form to sign. When we got the additional form that they wanted us to sign, it had an increase, and the increase was due to COVID-19 supply chain increases. Certainly understand that there's increases, but I never felt that the contractor would pass that on to the consumer, let alone to me, and this is what was happening. So just thought how many times we've had experience with homeowners that in the process of meeting with them and then deciding on going with us as a company and choosing a great product and choosing a great company, increases have come to us that have never been passed on to the homeowner. When we're making the decisions on your contractor and the project that you're looking to get done, make sure that the price is inclusive of everything and that you won't be having any additional costs like they were hitting me with to get our fence installed, so that you can have a really good experience and be confident in the decisions you make. So again, can't stress enough how important that initial consultation is and getting all the information required to make the best decision for you and your family. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.